Hey, welcome to this video. In today's video I will show you how to change headlight of Honda Civic 2019. Here you can see the light. So what we need to do, we need to unplug it first by pressing this thing and push it a little bit down. As you can see, I have plugged it out. So now I have to, this is the light, so I have to move it anti-clockwise just to unlock it. Yeah, it's unlocked now and I can take it out. So this is the old light, it is not working right now. And for replacing light you have to use always the plastic gloves. So this is the new light that I'm gonna replace. So this is the new bulb, so I'm gonna insert in. So same way I took it out. So here you can see the 3 tabs, so you have to insert corresponding to the other tabs. And now it's inserted. Now I have to move it to the clockwise just to lock it. Yeah, I can see it's locked now. So here's the electric plug that I need to plug in back. Yeah, it's plugged in. So now I will turn on the lights to see if it's working or not. So here you can see it's working now. So if you want to replace headlights at home, you can do it anytime and save money. Please share and subscribe this channel. Thank you.